We like using hydrogen to power our cars, but how do we actually store the fuel?
One of the issues with using hydrogen as a fuel is its low volumetric density. Therefore, 1 cubic metre of hydrogen is needed to produce the same amount of energy that you'd find in 0.34 litres of petrol. So to get the same amount of energy as you would in a normal petrol tank, you're going to need 124 metres cubed of hydrogen. This is roughly equivalent to 10 three-storey buildings in volume. Therefore, it's not viable to use hydrogen in this format. We need to use it as a compressed gas.
Hydrogen can be stored at pressures of 700 bar in reinforced storage tanks such as this one here. However, storing a gas under pressure can lead to an increased chance of leaks and the potential for explosions. Alternatively, we can store our hydrogen in metal hydrides such as this one. Metal hydrides allow us to store hydrogen in low volumes and at lower pressures. Typically, hydrogen is stored in the hydrides at 10 to 40 bar. This is much lower than the 700 bar required by the storage tanks. This is possible as the hydrogen molecules chemically bond to the metal within inside the hydride. Hydrogen can be stored in small hydrides as small and light as this one here. This allows hydrogen to be used as an energy source to power your handheld devices such as phones, iPads, etc. This allows charging to be done quickly and easily on the go. Although using a metal hydride will save us space within the car and increase the safety of storing the fuel, it's much heavier than a standard hydrogen storage tank. Therefore, if we've got something heavier in our car, we're going to need to burn more fuel to go the same distance. So is it better to have a smaller, heavier tank or a lighter tank with a greater volume?